Kinundi na nga ng isa sa GMA contractor or individual contractor na si Susette Doctolero ayon sa kanya na hindi nga daw magandang pagtatanong ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada sa nasabi nga pong Senate hearing kay Sandro at pati na rin sa mga akusado na sina Jojo Nunes dahilan para po ito ay maditana ng 8 araw. Mula sa naging pahayag ni Susette Severo Doctolero, I am posting this not as a GMA7 independent contractor, but as a deeply concerned Filipino citizen who is appalled by recent events. Yesterday's hearing, one in the Senate and one in Congress, highlight a troubling disparity in how justice is being handled. In the Senate, Senators Jinggoy Estrada and Robin Padilla conducted the third session on the reported sexual assault involving Sandro Mulak as the victim and Jojo Nunes and Richard Cruz, currently hospitalized as the accused. Despite the case already being filed with the DOJ, it's been repeatedly emphasized to Senator, especially Senator Jinggoy, that any further questioning on the matter should be avoided. Yet, in the previous hearing, Senator Jinggoy seemed to harass Sandro into speaking, and yesterday he persistently pressured Jojo Nunes to answer despite Nunes repeatedly invoking his right not to self-incriminate given that the case is already in court. Jojo Nunes was in fact detained in the Senate for 8 days for providing answers Senator Jinggoy didn't want. 8 days! Dahil lang sa kapritsyo ba ng isang senador na feeling prosecutor? It seems the senator wanted to play judge or no, but as a prosecutor nga and interfere in a case that should be within the jurisdiction of the judiciary. The Senate inquiry, supposedly conducted in aid of legislation, is being conducted as if it were court hearing, which is not its intended purpose. Anong tulong ang maibibigay ng ganitong pakikialam sa proseso na dapat nasa judiciary na? O baka naman hindi talaga alam ng ating mga senador na ito kung ano ang kanilang trabaho? I am just asking here. Si Alice Go nga, pinaglaruan kayo sa Senate inquiry at ginawa kayong tila mga tanga at GAGO. Pero hindi nyo makontempt. Bakit? Dahil ba maraming protektor? Nagtatanong lang po uli ako ha? ABS-CBN representatives testified that between 2020, I hope tama ang dinig ko, and the present, they have dealt with 10 sexual harassment cases, all of which were addressed. TV5 reported having one case that was also resolved. Isn't this data and the previous Senate inquiries enough to review and amend the existing laws on rape, sexual assault, and sexual harassment if needed? I cannot stand by and watch as my colleague, though accused, is treated unfairly in the Senate, a place where the law should be upheld with integrity. Paano pa and karaniwang tao na kapag maakusahan din ng isang krimen? Ang tagal ko nang nananahimik lalo at nirerespeto ko ang proseso ng batas, pero sa mga nangyayaring ito ay hindi ko na talaga kinakaya ang sirkus na ito. Senator Jinggoy, why does it seems like you're overstepping your role when your focus should be on fulfilling your responsibilities as a true senator? Yan nga ang mga naging pahayag ni Doctolero kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Ano naman kaya ang maisasagot dito ng senador? At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.